Horseradish is originally from Europe and is a perennial, cold-resistant plant. Its root has a spicy flavor and can be used as a condiment or eaten. The plant itself can be used as fodder. Compared to the expensive wasabi, horseradish is spicier. It is a cost-effective substitute for wasabi. Many commercially available mustards and mustard powders are often fake mustard. Most are made primarily from horseradish. Horseradish is easy to cultivate. Cut side roots about 1 centimeter thick into segments about 15 centimeters long to use as planting roots. It is best to use unharmed, 1-year-old quality roots as planting material. Horseradish likes cool, cold-resistant, and drought-tolerant environments and does not tolerate waterlogging. It thrives in deep, well-drained, fertile sandy loam. It flowers from April to May and fruits from May to June. Horseradish propagated in the spring can be harvested in October, though the yield is not high. The highest yield occurs after 20 months of planting. However, if not harvested and left in the field for 2 years, the roots may become hollow. Transported to the factory for processing.